autism is something that is associated with genetics?
Not all of it. So if there are certain gene panels which are associated with genetics, yes, but it's a multifactorial disease.
Right.
Like एक सबसे बड़ी चीज़ हमने जो देखी जब बच्चे कोविड के टाइम में ऑनलाइन बहुत ज़्यादा हो गए, पेरेंट्स को भी अपना ऑनलाइन काम करना था, स्क्रीन टाइम बढ़ गया, सो वी सॉ एन इंक्रीज इन द इंसिडेंस ऑफ ऑटिज्म हियर.
Really?
Right, like we called it like virtual autism.
Right.
लाइक वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड में रह के उनको ऑटिज्म होता है, बिकॉज द अंडरस्टैंडिंग यहाँ पे है कि शायद जब पहले कपल ऑफ ईयर्स में the humans for 9,900 years they've existed, they have developed language, speech, everything based on a human interaction right from birth.
Right.
It is only the last 10 or 20 years that you have moved on to learning everything from the screen rather than for a lack of human interaction.
Right.
The brain's way of learning had changed, and probably that may be imprecise. So that is one of the reasons that we need to see. And screen time ka effect, there is some data to suggest that the children who see more than 4 hours of screen every single day for a length of time, they have a small brain,
They have a
smaller brain.
really?
Oh yes.
So what you're saying is it actually decreases.
Yes.
So like we have now studies to tell that excessive screen time, like you're saying 4 hours a day, is having a neurological impact on the brain.
Oh, absolutely. So there is a lot of data to suggest that excess screen time is probably likely to be more harmful than it is supposed to be beneficial. We see, okay, like the children who would say, the parents would come and say, okay, like my child saw a screen and has learned A for apple, B for boy. Surprisingly, UCMS यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेज दिल्ली वहाँ पे एक स्टडी हुई थी among the slum cluster around the hospital,
Right.
out of which almost 75% of the children less than 2 years were watching screen,
Right.
and out of which 99% of the parents were not bothered whether they're watching screen or not. So they were okay.
I think parents का ये है कि देखो बच्चा बिजी है और उसको चोट नहीं लगेगी, फोन पकड़ के बैठ के कुछ देख रहा है, अब हम अपना काम कर लेते हैं, स्पेशली जो मतलब घर में मदर्स हैं या जो है, सो वो अपना काम करेंगी तो ये 2-3 घंटे अच्छी तरह कट जाते हैं.
और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि लोगों को लगता है कि स्क्रीन से आदमी ज़्यादा सीखता है, जबकि जो कि अगर मेरे को स्क्रीन में एक ब्लॉक लाइक स्टैक करना सिखाया जाए, अनलेस आई फील दैट,
यस,
अनलेस आई सॉ कि एक छोटा मैंने बड़ा ब्लॉक छोटे के ऊपर रखा और वो गिर गया, लाइक सो द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ शेप, साइज, टेक्सचर, unless I feel like simpler example will be I can show you a green color at 2 years, but when I go out in a park I see 3 different kinds of green, like that's a power of observation. So humans have all learned from power of observation, whether it was Newton, whether it is the Galileo or Archimedes who went into the swimming pool or the bathing tub and found out. So it's a power of observation which makes humans different from others. So we cannot just learn from the screen because that is tailored information. And unfortunately, we have started seeing this impact now, and WHO, AP, IAP all have recommended that 2 साल से कम बच्चे को स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाना, फिर भी नियम मानते. 2 साल से 5 साल के बच्चे को 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा नहीं दिखाना, फिर भी नियम मानते. हम कितने बहाने लगा देते.
ऐसी ही दिलचस्प और महत्वपूर्ण हेल्थ इश्यूज के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करने के लिए देखते रहिए हेल्थ मंत्रा.